Alright, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. It's like super early, I'm super tired, but you guys are gonna love this video. It's the moment you guys been waiting for, the moment I've been waiting for, the moment everyone's been waiting for. Without further ado, guess what we're doing to the car. You guys remember all these boxes? Like all the boxes that were over there in my thingy in my living room? All of these. Do you guys remember? Look at my car. Well, I got a little surprise for you guys. Are you ready? In 3, 2, 1. Wait. What is that? Hold up. Is that a... Wait, hold up. Wait, what? Well, there you guys have it. We're actually gonna be 6-speed swapping the car finally. We got the transmission over at the mechanics. We got every single thing we need in these boxes, to be honest. So we got the shifter here, emergency brakes in here, all accessories like mounts, cables, wires, clutch pedal. We got the clutch pedal. These things are hard to find. It took me so long to find these. So we got the clutch pedals. We got the axle in here. We got axles in over there. We got freaking... All right, I already know you guys are excited. So I have the garage door closed, but you know, it's because I don't want the noise from the outside to come inside so I can do a proper video. But we're gonna go over what we need. So we got the clutch pedal. This thing, I had it for, I think, over a year already. So I've had this sitting here over a year. I want to paint it, make it look better, but whatever. So clutch pedal, shifter, right. All right, on this side we have, this is actually what we're going to use for our manual transmission fluid. So we're using the Redline synthetic oil MT-90. I got these. And then for our clutch fluid, we're going to use Motul, whatever it's called, RBF 600. It's like a brake fluid, but you know, we're using it for our clutch. We actually have the electronic emergency brake here. You guys saw a shifter. This is actually the master slave cylinder with all the cables. So there's actually the master slave cylinder with all the cables, everything you need. It's actually the upgraded one, you know, so when we go racing and beat people, it doesn't break. So this is actually made by my tuner, Gerson. You guys already know, at 835_6MT. He tuned the car because the car is tuned. So he actually sells the kits and he makes them. So guys, if you need the kit, if you're doing the swap and you need the kit, hit him up. There's such a big upgrade. It's like so worth it because, you know, it won't break. Because the plastic one that comes with the Altima or 370, I think, they do break after time. But this one is actually made out of, I think, metal or zinc, something like that. But there's an upgrade that you can do and it's so worth it. We also have the starter. Yeah, it's a little bit dirty. That's the bad part. I'm gonna tell him to clean it a little bit, but there's a used starter. I wanted to go OEM, so OEM was like $500. So I got this one cheap. I forgot it was like $60 from a car. Didn't have too many miles, so we got the starter here. So we got this one, Nisforman's Stage 2. This guy is our pressure plate. So there's like there's our pressure plate bolt, I think it is, something like that. So this is actually a pressure plate with that's our clutch. We do have a stage 2 clutch. We have a stage 2 clutch that we're gonna be putting on the car. And but yeah, this is our stage 2 clutch. This is so freaking cool. Damn, this is amazing. Like, damn. But yeah, this is our stage 2 clutch with the pressure plate, and then the flywheel is on the other one over there. Then we got our flywheel here, JW2 flywheel. It fits the Altima. So yeah, this is what we got. JWT flywheel for the Altima 1, stage 2 clutch kit 1. So Nisforman's, you get a couple of these. You know, you guys should hit them up if you want to do your swap. We get a couple stickers. And then, I'm not gonna take it out, but I think you guys seen a flywheel before. It's like this. This thing is hella heavy. Yeah, it comes with these little things. I'm guessing it like for the bolts and all this or whatever. But yeah, that's the flywheel, guys. It's a thick boy. Like, it's a thick one. Look at this. This is freaking amazing. Like, this honestly is so cool. Apart from that, in this box we have like axle seals, bolts, more bolts. We got the motor mount. I think this is the motor mount for the transmission. I think that's what it is. But in that box, that's what we got. That's what we got in this box. This box, we got Hitachi original OEM power steering pump. My power steering pump went out, so look at this. Look at this. We're already messing up. So we got all these boxes scattered. That's the axle. Another axle. Another axle. So what we're gonna do is right now we're gonna be packing everything into the car so we can take it to the mechanic and drop it off so they can start working on it and we can actually have a 6-speed Maxima. This is so freaking crazy. All right, guys, we're on our way. Hopefully it's not too much traffic, but we got the car stacked. Like, the car is packed with everything inside and the trunk as well. It's just, honestly, this is just amazing. We're finally gonna be getting rid of the automatic. We're gonna be having a manual 6-speed swapped Maxima. I think we'll be like the only one in Orlando, Florida to have one, at least for now. We're on our way to have a rare car. A rare car. These cars did not come 6-speed, so it's considered rare. I'll be honest with you, I cannot believe we're actually doing this. We got everything packed over here, so going to drop it off. We're gonna be working on the car. We got our axles all the way here in the back, so we Gucci, we chilling. All right, guys, we're leaving the car. It's right there. Randy's gonna take care of it, so once we see the car again, we'll actually, it'll still be automatic probably, because we gotta bring the headers, because we're gonna put on the headers. I left it at home because I still gotta wrap it, so we're leaving the car. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna catch you guys later. Next thing, I'm gonna give you guys an update when we bring the headers. But remember, like the video if you guys are excited for the swap. I'll catch you guys later. God bless you. God is good. Peace.